Hi, I want to talk to you about our new SofTutor version 3.5. Our user interface has changed a little. What we've added is we've added the ability to play SofTutor back large. If I click on SofTutor here and I hover over these, it'll play back large size, medium, small, and extra small. It'll also play back in widescreen. So right now it's set for rectangular screen. If I click on it here for widescreen, then choose extra small, it's going to change the format of the player so it's a wider screen format. Now certain titles are recorded in widescreen. So if I find a widescreen title here, choose one of the Microsoft titles, notice
you can use Excel to add numbers using formulas, buttons, and functions.
We'll turn the volume down a little bit so I can talk while it's playing. But any event, you can click on the different playbacks. Now the old setting for SofTutor now is small. So when you're used to looking at SofTutor, the original size is the small size. Now that screens are larger, we've added 2 new buttons for large and 1 button for smaller. Plus, you can also manually resize this, but notice sometimes you get the black space around it. That's because it doesn't quite fit. To fix that, you can just choose one of the predefined sizes. When you want SofTutor to run on top, you can still set the Stay on Top button. If I had Excel here, I could follow along and learn by doing at the same time. One of the other things I wanted to point out is if you have the authoring tools for SofTutor, now you can go out and just pretty much all of the titles in this series are on the internet. So we didn't have to create anything. All the videos exist on the internet. We just linked them into SofTutor with the authoring tools. Some of the SofTutor products are things that we've created, but these other ones here are things that are just on the internet that we've kind of built inside of SofTutor. It doesn't take too much time. Find it on the internet, link it into SofTutor, and it pretty much plays. So if I come down here and choose Microsoft Excel, these are on the Microsoft website. Now notice this one's playing back rectangular. I just click the box there and hit small, and it sets it to play that. And you can read it and follow along with it at the same time. One of the things that we just created for a customer, our consulting services, is we did some Salesforce training for them. So this was done for an insurance company, and let me show you how SofTutor works. We set SofTutor to stay on top. Then we open up the corresponding program. In this case, it would be Salesforce. So before I do that, why don't I make this playback on the smaller size. Again, depending on the size of your screen. And then I'll just open up Salesforce, turn on SofTutor, and we'll follow along. Let's turn up the volume.
With the lead heading. Within that tab, you will see a button that will allow a new entry. Left-click that button, and a new screen will appear. Enter in the relevant information. You will see some columns have a red vertical bar. These will indicate that these fields are required for entry. Enter as much detail as you have available. As you get further along in your sales process, more fields will be required. So having as complete detail as possible will be beneficial. When you're complete, save the...
Okay, so you can pause this, you can rewind it, move it anywhere on the screen that you want. You can search for things. In this case, you know, he talked about what the red bars were, and I forgot, so I can just come back here. Let's set it for a little bit larger. Let's search for red. What does the red bar mean?
You will see some columns have a red vertical bar. These will indicate that these fields are required for entry.
Okay, notice it found the video, fast forward into the video, told me what the red bars were for, and then it paused. That's how people use SofTutor for quick search, technical support, and just-in-time learning, just to learn what it is that you need to learn so you can get your job done. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you enjoy SofTutor.